Hello everyone, I'm Stella. Here is the RIPPA factory. Today I'd like to demonstrate the quick change system that comes standard on our RIPPA brand mini excavator. The difference between a hydraulic and a mechanical quick change is that the hydraulic quick change has a distant hydraulic cylinder. You can operate the hydraulic quick change wheel settings on the machines. The mechanical quick change doesn't have a hydraulic cylinder, so you need to pull out the pins and move the levers to change the bucket on or other attachments. The R-Tens come standard with a mechanical quick change, while the other 5 models come standard with a hydraulic quick change. Our machines also come standard with hydraulic thumb clamps. With both hydraulic quick change and hydraulic thumb clamps, we also provide an extra lines for connecting other attachments, allow you to attach a rod, race lock, grapple, or other without removing the other 2 attachments.